Well, to continuing our lecture, physical world units and measurements. Next topic, work. Next physical quantity is work. What is the definition for work? So generally, what is meant by work here? If any body we are considering, the body will be displaced from one position to another position, then it is called work. If any body you consider, if it is moves from one place to another place, then it is called work done. For example, initially body is here. So this is initial position of the body. It is moves from here to here. If a person is a lift, for example, this is a ground. One brick is lies on the ground. I lift the brick and place here on this another place. That means here body is displaces from one place to another place. How can the body will be displaced from here one place to another place? Definitely we applying some force, then only body will be displaced from one place to another place. Here body will be displaced from one place to another place when we applying force only it is possible. That means applied force. Work done is nothing but what? Very simple here. Don't panic and don't hear by heart. So simple thing. Body will be displaced from one place to another place. That means how the body will be displaced here. The body will be displaced when we applying force only it is possible. That means what is the formula for this work done? Force, applied force into body will be displaced na. That is what here? Displacement. How much it is displaced? S meters. It displaces how many meters here? S meters. That applied force into displacement is called work done. So what is the formula for work done? Work done is nothing but the product of force, applied force and displacement of a body. That is called work done here. Work done is equal to force into displacement. Here force is measured in Newton. Here into is there. And here distance. Displacement is nothing but what? Displacement is I think but that is measured in meters only. That means Newton into meter. Newton into meter is the unit of work done. And another unit for this one is the Newton meter is also called as joule. So this is also called as joule here. Newton meter is a MK system of unit here. MK system of unit of work done here. MK system of unit. So MK system of unit Newton into meter. And CGS system of unit is here what? CGS system of unit. So Newton into meter. The CGS system is, in case of CGS system, dyne. Force is represented as dyne into. So here displacement represented as centimeter. Dyne into centimeter. Dyne into centimeter is a unit for CGS system of unit for work done. This is also called as erg. So that means the CGS unit of work done is dyne centimeter or ergs. Now the main